Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a black screen issue on Rainbow Six Siege. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Steam or Ubisoft Connect, where you got the game, and then you need to right click on it, go to properties, and then install files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some encrypted game files that need to be fixed, so go ahead and do that. And once you're here, then you need to go to general and make sure to enable the Steam overlay while in game, right? And once you do that, then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to go to settings, and then you need to go to gaming, game mode, make sure that this option is on. Go back on gaming, captures, make sure record what happened is off. And then on Xbox game bar, make sure that this option is off as well. Then go to accessibility, visual effects, and make sure that these three options is off as well. Always show scroll bars, transparency effects, and animation effects here. And then what you need to do here is on search, you need to write graphics settings, and then you need to find Rainbow Six Siege here. And then you need to just go to options and select high performance. If you don't see Rainbow Six Siege, you need to add it manually. You just need to browse. And if your game is on Steam, you need to go to your disk C, program files, Steam, and then Steam apps, common Rainbow Six Siege, and add exe file here, right? And if the problem persists, then you need to run game in compatibility mode. So go ahead, go to Steam, library, properties, or manage and browse files. And then scroll down until you see, as you can see here, exe file. Exe file should be somewhere here. Yeah, this one. Then go to properties, compatibility, make sure I run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, and disable, basically select these two options, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Press apply OK, and then run the game. And once you run the game, open up Task Manager, and then you should find Rainbow Six Siege, basically app running on your PC. So what you need to do here next is to select the game, then right click on it, go to details, and then you should find Rainbow Six Siege exe file. So we need to right click again on it, and then you need to set priority to high, right? And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.